Welcome to the tutorial of CV12 Pro Chamber Vacuum Sealer. Let's get you started. First, carefully unbox your sealer and remove all packaging. We recommend saving the box and packaging for future storage or transport. You'll find two seal bars. One is pre-installed, but be sure to remove any protective cardboard pieces. The other is a spare, wrapped separately. Here are the other items included in the box: 20 bags in two sizes, a space filler, 2 mason jar lids, 2 mason jar adapters, and a vacuum hose, 2 seal bars. This is the Wevac CV12 Pro Chamber Vacuum Sealer. It measures 14 in width, 18.1 in length, and 9.6 in height, and features a chamber measuring 12.4 wide, 12.8 long, and 3.8 deep. The maximum compatible bag width is 12 inches. Plug the power cord into the side of the unit and then into a wall outlet. Switch on the power. You'll hear a beep and see the control panel light up. Your sealer is now ready. On the control panel, you will find a vacuum gauge showing the real-time vacuum level, a display indicating the machine's status, arrow buttons for adjustments, buttons for different modes, and the start-stop button. The Smart Vac mode. After powering on, the machine defaults to Smart Vac mode, which automatically controls the vacuum time based on food volume. For most food, Smart Vac mode is all you need. If you are processing small pouches, using the space filler will shorten the vacuum process. Take one of the included bags, load the food, and lay it across the seal bar. Tuck the bag's lower edge into the bag clip. Close the lid firmly. Then, simply press the Start-Stop button. The machine will automatically vacuum and seal the bag. You'll hear 3 beeps when the cycle is complete, indicating a perfectly airtight seal. The Smart Vac mode uses an adjustable, pre-configured baseline vacuum level. You can change it to meet your specific needs. Here's how. Press and hold the Smart Vac button for 5 seconds. Then, press the arrow buttons to decrease or increase the vacuum level for Smart Vac mode. The Customized Vac mode. For more control, use Customized Vac mode. Press the Customized Vac button. Use the up and down arrow buttons to set the desired vacuum duration in seconds. You can press the buttons for accurate setting, or press and hold the buttons for quick adjustment. Close the lid and press the Start-Stop button to initiate the cycle. The Seal Only mode. Need to seal a length of bag roll without vacuuming? Use Seal Only. Place your bag across the seal bar. Press the seal button, close the lid, and hit Start-Stop. You can also press the seal button during the vacuum sealing cycle to stop vacuuming early and seal immediately. For example, when vacuum sealing a bag of liquid. To customize the seal time, for example, for Mylar or thicker bags, press the seal button to view the current setting. Then, use the arrow buttons to adjust it. The new setting will be saved automatically for future sealing cycles. Vacuum Seal Accessories CV12 Pro comes with a vacuum hose that you can use for vacuuming accessories like zipper bags, mason jars, and canisters. Vacuum Seal Mason Jars. Get your mason jar ready. Load the food into the mason jar. Put on the lid without the outer ring. Attach the mason jar adapter to it. Remove the seal bar and clean tray from the machine. Connect the hose between the port and the jar adapter. Press Marinate Accessories until ACC appears in the display, then press the Start-Stop button. For vacuum canisters compatible with the hose, attach the hose directly to the lid's valve. You can also switch the direction of the nozzle and insert it into the canister's air valve. Set the valve to vacuum, press Marinate Accessories until ACC appears in the display, then press the Start-Stop button. When finished, turn the valve to lock. The Marinate mode. Place your food and seasoning in a bag or canister inside the chamber. Press Marinate/accessories to select the Marinate option. The default is 18 minutes. Adjust the time with the arrow buttons, then press Start/Stop to begin the vacuum marination cycles. Cleaning. For easy cleanup, your CV12 Pro features a washable seal bar and a removable tray. Simply detach the seal bar and tray from the chamber, rinse them, and wipe them dry before reinstalling. Vacuum seal zipper bags. You can vacuum seal air valve zipper bags with CV12 Pro. Here's how. Seal the zipper tightly. Connect one end of the hose to the vacuum port inside the chamber. Attach the other end of the hose to the air valve in the bag. Select the accessories mode. Then press the Start/Stop button to begin vacuuming. You will hear 3 beeps when the process is complete. That's all for the tutorial. Thanks for watching.